everyone, this is Rachel here with the team at Clarity Co, here to bring you some tech clarity with our Monday 101 course. Today we're talking through basic navigation, talking through boards, dashboards, docs, and folders in Monday.com. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, starting in our workspace, let's start by defining what each of these are. Starting with boards. A board is the hub where a team can collaborate on workflows, process, projects, and tasks, and more. Really, the possibilities are endless, and there's a variety of ways you can use a Monday.com board within the system of Monday.com. The icon of a board you can see here is a rectangle with a smaller rectangle on the left-hand side, larger one on the right-hand side, just displaying a very miniature board within Monday.com. Once you hover over what that board name is, as well as same with Monday Docs or dashboards, you'll see the full name displayed here. Jumping to Monday Docs, I'm going to click on a Monday Doc. A Monday Doc is similar to a Word doc or a Google Doc. The only difference is it combines a lot of different tools into one workspace. So you have a Word doc, a whiteboard, a dashboard, and a task manager all in one place. The thing that I personally love about Monday Docs is instead of flipping through screens, let's say I'm taking meeting notes and I want to assign a task to a team member, instead of flipping to my Monday board, I can go ahead and type that into my Monday doc and then assign that as a task without having to flip through different screens. Pretty cool feature about Monday Docs, which is something that I love here. The icon here displayed is this paper with written lines on it and then the folded over right-hand corner. That displays that it's a Monday doc versus a Monday board, as you can see here. Again, hovering over and you can see the full name of that Monday doc displayed. Jumping into dashboards, we'll click on that and show what a dashboard can look like as far as base foundation here, but a dashboard is a place where you can display and centralize all of your data. This is great for leaders to use to make executive decisions, great for managers to have a visual of workflow management, as well as having visuals of what you need for department metrics. Again, the possibilities are endless with what you can display with your dashboard. The icon here for the dashboard is this square with the bar chart displayed within. Once you click on that, you have your dashboard go ahead and pull up. The final piece that we want to talk about is folders within Monday.com. So what we have here is a folder within a folder system, which is displayed by Rachel's Sandbox, and then different documents, boards, dashboards that are sorted into folders for me to use for our training videos here. As far as creating all of these different features within Monday.com, there are two different ways to do this. The first is with this blue plus mark up here next to the workspace dropdown. Once you click on that plus mark, you can see you've got boards, docs, dashboards, folders, and more displayed. If you would like to use a template for a board or a Monday doc, you can use that by hovering over the caret key and then either clicking new board or start with a template. The other place that you can create a board, dashboard, doc, or even a folder within a folder is by clicking on the three dots here within a folder or within a larger folder. Once you click on the three dots, you can see create in folder, and then it's the exact same display of board, doc, dashboard with those same templated features that are able to be selected as well. One quick pro tip for you guys, if you're wanting to create a board within a folder, instead of having to create the board separately with this blue check mark, using this three dots feature is super helpful instead of having to drag the folder or the dashboard or the document all the way from the bottom. Creating that item within the folder is going to be your best friend as far as saving some time. So clicking those three dots, or let's say I don't have a folder displayed already and I want to create a folder, I'll do that. Scrolling down to the bottom and click test folder, and then create my board within that folder, test board. And once my board's created, it will pop up within that folder that I have created down here at the bottom. I can close that folder and then drag that folder up to the top or wherever I would like to have it placed within our organization system within our workspace. For now, that's all that we have here with our team at Clarity Co, bringing you some tech clarity with this Monday 101 course. If you need additional support, tips, tricks, ideas on how to maximize your Monday.com account, or even a more creative build that you need our team to help with, we are here to assist you. And with that, we'll say until next time.